I just made a chocolate covered matzah bar for my kids so they could make it any way that they want. I think it's fun to do with your kids. I had fun making ones that were like a little more adult. And this would make a really good play date too if you were having people over, adults or kids really, during Passover. It's a fun thing to do. So let me show you what we've been up to. So what I need you to do is you take some of the melty chocolate and put it on your matzah, and then we're gonna melt it.
Okay. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Do it.
It's warm.
Pick which ones you want.
Two.
There we go, spread it all around, and once it's spread, you can put your toppings on. I have coconut, crystallized like decorating sugar, ooh, oh my, freeze-dried strawberries, golden raisins, slivered almonds, and I made some candied pecans.
I made patty.
Yeah, dude, it's awesome. Now that the kids have made theirs, I'm gonna make one for me. All right, so I've got my caramel chips all melted. I'm gonna do some of these little chocolate chips. You know those Girl Scout cookies they have with the caramel and the chocolate and the coconut? That's my plan here. A little bit of those. Of course, some coconut. And for my second adult one, I covered it all in chocolate. I'm putting some of those candied pecans on it, crushing them up a little bit. And then I have this awesome flakes of salt. We did not leave this one out for the kids. Oh, maybe a little too much. Put a little flaky salt on there. Look at that. I'm excited. Alright, so once your chocolate covered matzah is all cooled, takes about, I don't know, 5 to 10 minutes in the freezer. You can break it all up, and you can break it into big chunks so that people can grab a piece if you're serving it. These also make really good gifts. Look how beautiful that is. Don't forget to subscribe. I put videos out all year round, and I've been doing lots of other Passover videos. Also follow me on Instagram. I'll be sharing with you what we're eating during Passover in case you need some ideas. And go ahead and check out what else I've got going on.